From Sooner Standards, Securing the Transmission of Information, a complete Grade 7 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 7.NI.CY.02. Students learn how encryption protects information specifically during transmission, plain text versus ciphertext, transmission routes, end-to-end encryption and authentication. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. This unit includes a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual encrypted vs unencrypted comparison chart, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQIM rubric, plus a 10-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 Dalton's Eyes of No Prep. HQIM aligned instruction across 36 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.